Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Also slow movement here today. It's currently holding support here. Let's look at the options. First of all, this is still my account where we rallied off the 10th of March in a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2 in a WXY correction. It's a little bit questionable, that structure, but valid. Where we bottomed here on the 27th of March, rallied then in a third wave. Well, we basically would still be in the third wave, but within the third wave here, a possible wave 1 rally, and now a WXY structure in another wave 2. Basically, we have a 1-2 setup, and here another 1-2 setup in the higher degree third wave. So quite a bullish structure, quite a bullish setup. We did hold a series of trend reversal areas here, pretty good. We're moving from support to support, which is bullish, has at least some bullish implications. And for now, I'm watching, is this Elliott wave triangle finished? It's not entirely confirmed yet. I currently assume it's finished, but that could still be the case. It's subdividing further. For example, that the D wave ended here, and we could do the E wave now. But it's not my favorite option, to be honest. So for now, I remain focused on lower because I assume, at least in this count, the count would suggest that the E wave topped, which means the X wave topped of this WXY correction of the wave 2. And we're subdividing lower, possibly wave A still in the making. I don't have enough information really to talk about that. And a B wave could be in the making at some point, with one more C wave down, targeting possibly here 36.4 cents, the golden ratio, or 35.2, which is the Y wave. I believe it's very close to the 1-to-1 ratio. Let's just do that, because that's a common target for a Y wave. I take the length of the wave W, I go to the high of the X wave, and let's see what we get. Okay, we get actually 34 point, let me just needs to be a bit higher. Yeah, 34.9 cents. It's just below the 78.6 fib level. It would just drop in this scenario below our standard fib support for wave 2. Not guaranteed though, but I would keep an eye on the 34.9 cent level. This is sort of one scenario where, so I'm going to follow this unless we break above 38.7 cents. That would then suggest that maybe we already bottomed here and would be rallying already in a third wave. So, but a break above 38.7 cents would only be a first indication that this triangle isn't going to work out. Really, the triangle is not going to be invalidated until we break above 40.6 cents. That would then be a bullish, that would have bullish implications and could actually send us higher, but different interpretations will still be possible. Yeah, for example, it could be a high B wave, things like that. But first indication that we have bottomed here, at least locally, would be a break above 38.7 cents. And overall, as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, the focus can be on higher. Would like to present you a different perspective here that I thought about today when I looked at the chart again, because I'm getting a bit annoyed by all these setups. Here's a 1-2 setup, another 1-2 setup. Is there any other possibility? Yes, there is. So we could say maybe this was the wave 1, in a 3-wave structure. How is that possible? That's possible as a WXY pattern in a wave 1. If all of this is a leading diagonal, so it would be a wave 1 of a leading diagonal, then we could have come down here in also a 3-wave correction in a wave 2. So you have your 1-2 setup, but then this here would have been possibly the third wave. And what we're doing now is possibly a 4th wave, typically very shallow, and it is shallow. And then we could get one more wave up in a 5th wave, which would then create this larger leading diagonal in a wave 1. And then we could come down in a larger ABC pattern afterwards in a larger wave 2. Just an idea, that we actually have a leading diagonal on the wave up, on the way up. That would, account for describe and explain the choppy nature of this movement to the upside. But that's just my second option at the moment. It's not super likely, but it's something I'm observing quite closely, which means that we need to be ready if we find support in this yellow area there above 35.2 cents, while we can be focused on a higher. If it's choppy price action again, we need to be very much aware that this could be a leading diagonal. All right, so I'll keep you updated. Maybe we'll know more after the weekend. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's basically additional content every day. And if you want to find out more about technical analysis, trading, and cryptocurrencies, Elliott wave, then check out our trading course that you can find on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.